Hey, folks in YouTube land and cyberspace, wherever you're watching me from, we are about to go, well, we're live now, but we're about to do a live walkthrough on a home at the coast of North Carolina. This house is about 2,900 square feet. Is that right, Linus? 2,900 square feet?
2974.
2,974. 3 bedrooms on the main floor, including the master, of course, and also has a study. You'll see as we walk through the house, has a study that is on the main floor. And then upstairs, we've got a big bonus room and a full bath. Oh, we got, look at, I think, got some golfers out here. So let's see if we can't let you zoom in here. There, can you see the guys? You got a big pond back off to the right. Then you got another pond off that way, past the tree. So great view, awesome view on this home. Let's get the zoom back to where we were, right there. So why don't we start with that? We'll take a look at your master bedroom. See, I'm saying it yours, like it's yours. You can have it. Take ownership of it. Okay, come through the hallway. So your closets and your bedroom right over here. So let's take a look at the master bath. Nice, bright, shiny. Look at this shower. Nice tile work. You've got your handheld as well as your big shower head. And then you've got your nooks, niches for your shampoo and such. Got your water closet. And look at this tub. Nice soaking tub. And this is an open cell spray foam insulation. And here we are, August the 5th. And I could sleep in this room. I am very comfortable in this room right now. And so the benefit of the spray foam is reducing your utility bills, if not half or more. So, and look at this space. You know how you hate to pull down that staircase and then you can't get those boxes up? This is walkable space coming in.